So I'm here with Sam again. You. And we got this prototype plate for the shifter for his CRX. So, is your car unlocked?
Not that door, the other side is.
Okay. So what this does is it uses your regular shifter, and so you don't have to buy the hybrid racing one. So, yeah, oh, it's locked. It's unlocked. Lying ass. Okay. So what this is going to do essentially is it's going to go underneath like this, right? It's going to bolt up to the chassis. This will delete your stabilizer bar on the transmission, which will make this feel a lot more notchier. So you're going to have to drill 4 holes and use bolted nuts. And this shifter right here that he has, you'll be able to use using the little plate. I'll put a picture of it, what it looks like right here. You'll also be able to see it in the video. But it bolts up to this right here, and it holds this bad boy in place. So no more sloppy shifter, not like it is right now. Like, his shifter's not sloppy because he has the innovative, but it's gonna be like this. Really, really stiff and really notchy. Instead of it being like that long of a throw, it'll probably be like that. Like that will be second instead of being like this is second. You get the idea, but kind of same concept. I accidentally opened the tray for my SDs, so it kind of stopped the filming, but it's the same concept as last time. But right now what we're doing is we're fixing his fiberglass lip, sorry. And I'm going to fix that for him, and then we're going to pull this into the driveway, and we're going to get this situated and bolt this in. So if you guys would like to buy one, you guys need to follow him on Instagram because his profile is private, and he's taking pre-orders and selling these right now. They're going for $160, but you also got to remember, like, yeah, $160 is kind of like, you know, oh, it's expensive for a plate, but you got to remember that you're paying for somebody's time. You're paying for somebody's time, materials, and their knowledge. You're not paying for just the part. Now, the part is in play with all that you're paying for, but this also helps eliminate the stabilizer bar, because some people have the problem where they're shifting and the bushings will fall out, or they're shifting and something snaps. This will prevent that. So you'll need one of these. This is the part number in case you guys don't have one. If you guys want to buy one brand new, this is what you'll need essentially. So I got the shifter out here so to show you how exactly you assemble it. So if you could hold this for me. Thank you. So, oh fuck. All right, so we're gonna open this up real quick. Take this out. Obviously you take these off. Why are you filming so high?
Because I wanted to look cool.
Okay. Okay, so those come off. Your shifter goes in. Obviously, you're going to be reusing your shift boot and the collar and everything, because you can use that on here. So,
pick it up.
This goes right back on. And I'm just going to put this right here for right now, just so you guys can see. That's essentially how you bolt it up. Okay. You see how it works now?
I was recording the floor.
Were you really?
No, I don't know.
I think it goes that way, or yeah, it goes this way. This is the right way. Okay, so you want to make sure it's rounded like that. You see what I mean? Boom. So that's how it's going to work, and it's going to be your shift selector is going to be here, going this way, and it's going to be sitting flush like this on the top of the plate, like that. So you're going to be reusing your collar and everything to hold it straight up like this, but that's essentially how it's going to look inside your car to eliminate the stabilizer bar. So part numbers in there on the video. You guys can pause that, go back and pause that. You can use any shifter you want, Fastline, a stock OEM, Skunk 2, whatever you feel like using. And you're going to need to use this plate, the boot, and the collar that is on your shift ball currently, the one in your car, or if you have a brand new one, put that one on. You can grease it if you want to, but it's just your call. I don't know why you want to. But
no, he recommended that you grease the inside of this.
Oh, he did?
Yeah, he said to grease this inside because it's a tight fit, so put a little bit of grease.
A little bit of grease, high temp, low temp, doesn't matter what kind of temp.
Grease temp.
Grease temp, so put that in there. And thank you, R-fab, for making this for the community and helping people out. This is really dope. And this is the prototype right now, so this is like the V0, if you will, and the V1s are being made currently. So yeah, and he even supplies you with the hardware, which is bolts, nuts, and washers. Well, at least you have your front lip off.
It doesn't matter though, it still fits under there. Yeah. Make it a little bit easier.
What this? These. Oh, batteries. Ooh. Sorry. I threw it in there and they fell apart.
Sorry, Wabbit. Discard.
Okay, start jacking it up.
Start jacking it up?
Yeah.
Dude, with that socket, motherfucker.
It's starting to rain. It feels shitty.
It's about to feel like rabbit.
Sam is underneath the car. I can't really see what he's doing, but he's taking off the stabilizer bar, which is, yeah, thanks for smacking the shit out of the camera.
Did I?
Yeah.
My bad.
He's undoing the stabilizer bar, which is a what, 14, right?
12.
12 millimeter bolt, and he's taking off the bitch pin right now. And dude, it's fucking pissing out here right now. No, I'm getting pretty fucking wet right now. Oh, you can hear the thunder. Oh shit. It's really starting to rain harder now.
Where's my fucking car?
Oh, hold on. I'm not trying to fucking get hit by a car. Yeah, it's fucking pissing. Oh, you guys don't know nothing about humidity. Fucking squeaking mall. Look at this shit. It's fucking pouring. Look at it.
I'm out here melting.
You guys don't know nothing about humidity. It's like, what, 100 and something degrees right now?
Might as well be.
Yeah. Oh, shit. Yeah, it's fucking pouring right now. Sam's still under the car. I'm in the rain. I personally don't mind it. It's hot water. So, but it's raining pretty heavy, as you guys can see. There's water all over my camera. So hopefully this doesn't affect it. Hey, put Domino inside. So yeah. So lightning just struck the street across over here on the other side of the street, and the power's out. So we're out here. Hopefully I can catch it on camera. I said hopefully I can catch it on camera. Yeah, it is just leaking. Let's see, can I catch it? Hopefully. It'll come back on. It's just only going to rain for the next 40 minutes. Only for the next 40 minutes. Damn. Holy shit. What?
Stop shitting yourself.
I didn't fart. I promise. I'm saying shit. Holy shit.
Fucking soap, bro.
Oh, you are. Your whole fucking back is wet.
I know.
Ew. Yeah, it's about the fucking lightning again. This is bad. Hey, be careful, kid.
Yep. Hopefully I get struck by lightning on the way.
Why?
Turn it to flat?
Why?
Why? He's not being suicidal.
Be safe. I'm trying to get the lightning again.
He wants to turn it to flat.
It's not how Flash got his powers.
No, I know it's not. I'm just, they said that in the Flash movie. No. He gave it
So
back.
this is how it looks.
They're reselling it.
We greased the inside here, and we greased the inside there. So this is exactly how it's going to bolt in. Boom, boom. Drill the holes, and then bolt it up, and you're finished. So, yeah. There you go. That's all it is. That's all you got to do. It's simple, easy, but it helps out. Wiggle around, get it all mushed in. Get it all nice. See, as you can see, we're using the Delrin. What is it called? That you call them?
It's like the stock birdcage, but Cheddar Auto makes replacement ones in Delrin.
Do you need that grease too?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Where's the grease?
The grass.
Okay. Oh no, it's right here. Here. Use a rag. Put some on the rag and then, you know, smear it around.
like bless them like, oh, I love this woman, I cherish this woman, da da da. And now I hope to house her life better without me. And she's like, all right, take care. That's what she said. All right, take care. I'll be good.
I feel like she's really
About Maria Bennett. About Maria Bennett.
And you know what? After that message out, I'm like, is it about the family or is it about us?
Bro, Quavo's a bitch. I think Quavo.
I was watching this show called Star with my baby mama. And they got Quavo in there.
Cool.
This nigga pulls a gun after he got punched. Then his shoes fell off. Right in the
There it is.
Star. Hey, check how long it's supposed to rain for.
She said for the next 40 minutes.
40 minutes?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, fuck it.
Yeah, we're just gonna have to fucking wing it.
I'll just put all the way under the car.
Yeah, underneath the car you'll be fine, but goddamn, it's just fucking pissing right now. I don't know if you guys can see that, but.
Grandpa fucking moved, stop staring.
Huh?
Fucking grandpa.
Oh, the guy?
Yeah, I was like, bro, fucking drive by already.
Here, I'll cover you. Oh no, you're you're already under the car.
That's what I said, I'm gonna get all the rendering.
Hey, you guys are doing the one thing you're not supposed to do in a rainstorm. Hey, you guys are standing underneath the fucking tree during a lightning and thunderstorm. You guys are dorks. No, I'm good.
Air pride.
God, it feels so fucking awful out here. What are you looking for?
Sounds like lying, bro. 'Cause I grabbed the first one.
I thought you were looking for something. I thought you called me.
I just need a 10 mil to take off those.
It's in the bag.
I know, it probably is.
It's underneath the car. Damn. It feels awful. There goes my brother. Damn. Fucking drenched. Come on, do something cool. Come on, show me something cool.
I left the wax it under the car.
Did you really? There's two of them? Great. I wonder how long the power's gonna be off. I don't know.
I don't live here.
What'd you say?
I said, I don't live here.
Thought you said I don't have a beard. I was like, oh, okay. Dude, look at how fucking wet Sam's back is. Ugh. Here.
That's like, take care of me.
Hello? Yeah, I did.
Sorry, take care of me, Dad.
Yeah. The last strike fucking hit the street, so it took out all the power. Yeah. No, we gotta wait for power to come back on. Yeah, the whole neighborhood. It feels fucking phenomenal out here, let me tell you. It feels fucking sticky as shit. It's pissing rain, dude.
Saying, like the way the humidity feels?
Yeah, it's just, no, I don't like the way the humidity feels. Are you crazy? It's just pissing fucking rain right now.
I was about to say,
I'm being sarcastic. It feels like shit out here.
Fucking feels like Florida.
Ugh. Yeah, and your ass went to Florida. Fuck this.
Yeah, I know. I was in the AC, nice chilling, and then all of a sudden, off.
Yeah, it didn't feel too bad until it started raining.
Yeah.
It was pretty. It was hot, but it wasn't too like crazy hot. It was like 98. Now it's like fucking 190 million.
With 100% humidity.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. All right, peace.
Bye.
So he won't be needing this bar anymore, which is your stabilizing bar, because that won't be necessary. He'll be using the other bar, which is probably still in the car, correct?
The other one?
Yeah. All right, I'll go get it. Ugh. Ew. Greasy. So what Sam is doing is there's two welded on nuts to the frame of the car. You gotta sand them down before you put this plate on because otherwise it won't sit flush. So that's what he's doing.
You wanna die, bitch?
What's up? Terminator.
Fucking doing this.
I'll be back. Look at me and give me your best Terminator impression.
Taking forever.
Look at me and give me your best Terminator impression. Press a little harder on it.
I was a little bit, but your thing's hot.
Yeah, so is your mom. So what we're going to do here is we're going to drill with the pilot hole, and then you're going to go bigger, then bigger, and then we're going to use the unibit or the step down to make it wider, so that way we can actually fit said hole. See? So it comes with the bolts, washers, and nut, and
That's just the two that I'm gonna use to mount it right now.
okay.
Well, give me those. I need those.
Well, I'll just hand them to you through here. So that way you don't like go where
I
the.
still want one because I need to figure out what size it is. Do you have the tools right there?
Yeah, all the tools are right here. Okay, so the shifter is in, and now all you got to do is just put it on together. Yeah, you'd be able to run this.
Yeah, I should be able to.
However the fuck you get it on.
Fuck yeah. Do it, you stupid bitch.
Where?
You already put the bitch pin in?
No.
No. Look at them feet. Hi, Pop.
They call me Falcon. Wanna know why?
Why? Jesus. Don't let Donnie see that. He'll fucking get it all fucking hard.
Yeah, well, never mind. I can't explain that joke.
Oh yeah, that feels a lot better. Look at that, no slop. And your little gasket boot thingy went over it?
Yeah, and it also fit the aftermarket bird cage that goes around the like pivot ball.
The Delrin?
Delrin.
Delrin?
Yeah, Chetta's Auto Delrin bushings.
Feels good. So like I said, if you guys want to go get one for yourselves, I'll leave his Instagram down below. You guys go check it out. Tell him I sent you. It's $160. I don't know how much plus shipping because I'm not smart like that. But Sam has the one for the hybrid, and now he has this prototype for regular shifters. So that way he doesn't have to use his stabilizer bar. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure you smack that like button and make sure you guys comment and subscribe because it helps me out tremendously. Please make sure you guys get yourself a t-shirt. They're all down in the links. Everything is down in the link down below.
On the hub.
What?
You're on the hub.
On the hub, the porn hub. If you guys want something for your car, like headers, brake lines, something done for your motor, or goodies from MPC, everything is linked down below to save yourself some money. My name is Chris from Lazymangarage, and I'm lazy, so you don't have to be. Peace.